one?
Here we have the beagle coloured Puggle. Cute in the face with a little black face to him. All colours like that. It's 3-week old. All puppies are all 3-week old. This one's a male. We've got his brother, similar colours, beagle type colours. He's also got a dark patch of fur there, as you can see there. Black ears and a little black face to the colourings, little black eye you can see there. Male also. All fawn male pup. All got eyes open. All fawn with a little white nose, as you can see there. Little white nose. Beautiful. We've got a big male here. Got one sock, or one white paw, should we say. Black. Elsewhere, little coloration underneath his chin there. You can see. We have another one. This one's a girl. A little white spot under her chin, like there. She's actually the smallest of the litter.
Mum's cleaning her now.
Come on then, pull it back down, baby. Where's this one? Dark brown in colour, this one. She's actually a female. She's the only one in the litter of her kind because she's such a dark brown. She's also got 4 white paws on all feet. She's actually a bitch. Little coloration underneath her chin again. There, as you can see. What else have we got here? We've got another female with a line. Little line under her chin.
Can't see fingers.
She's also a stunning little girl. What else have we got? We've got them all over the place now. We've got one. Where are you? All black. All black male. You sit still. All black male. All playful. 3 weeks old. Mother's taken to them quite well. All got excellent temperaments. As you can see, a couple of them are starting to walk, take the first steps at the minute. Sitting up, using the backbone. Especially the one with the white spot here, she loves to sit up and give it a good old yap every now and again. All little playful little puppies.